Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transform this metal wall art into a vertical succulent arrangement. Okay, let's begin. We need a lot of moss in this project. It is easy to work with the moss when it is soft, so you need to wet it with water and remove the excess off. Next, you place the metal decor flat on your work table and line the moss underneath. Gently remove excess soil from your succulent and wrap it individually with moss. When all the succulents are ready, attach them one by one to the metal using a wire. And here's my favorite part, the actual succulent arrangement. I suggest that you use different varieties, shapes, and colors of the succulents for this project to give it a stunning effect. But you can always play around and you can always use whatever succulents you already have. And for aesthetic purposes, I use the green moss for the top cover. And to ensure that this project will not fall apart, you have to secure this very well with wires. Here's the finished project. Vertical succulent arrangement by Chopstick and Succulents.